Handling new leads within 60 seconds is not easy. The client goes with someone else. So how we solve that problem? And I can reply to all the new leads within a minute. Hi, handling new leads within 60 seconds is not easy. But on all marketplaces, when you get the lead, if we don't reply within few minutes, the client goes with someone else. So response rate and response time both are very important. I have built multiple automations regarding that. The first one was in AppScript. I will share that demo sometime. Now I am going to share the current one, the current process that is built entirely in n8n, and I can reply to all the new leads within a minute. And same goes for all the leads coming to my team. Hi, I am Aves. The main problem that we were facing is to give response time. We get many inbound leads, but it is harder to reply them within few minutes. Usually we get alert after 15 minutes or 20 minutes, or sometimes we don't even notice because we have a lot of distractions, a lot of channels, a lot of other notification apps. So how we solve that problem? We dedicated few particular platforms. Number one, WhatsApp. We made group on WhatsApp where we will get immediate alerts if we get any inbound lead. And same goes for Slack. We have a dedicated channel where we get only leads alerts, and both are favorite. One is pinned on WhatsApp and second one is in favorite section of Slack. So I can reply them within a minute. And the third most important thing is our dedicated Slack channel is automatically created for a new lead with all of its details. Let's see how it all works. So first of all, this is running each minute. The trigger is running each minute automatically. You cannot run it if you are using the paid plan of n8n because it will consume a lot of credits. So I am running it on self-hosted Hostinger instant, and I have unlimited triggers now. What this does, it goes to email, it get emails of last 3 days that have a particular label. So leads are coming from source A, source B, source C, D, alpha, beta, gamma, all of them. And then I have created a label to mark all of those emails a particular label, and I am fetching all emails with that particular label. Then there is a limit applied here, so I can process only one lead at a time. And next I am using a code to remove all of the links, UTM tags and all that from the body. After that we get an instant alert on WhatsApp, and for that I am using Green API. If you are unable to get official WhatsApp business API, that is costly and that is also time taking, you can use a third party tool like Green API. They give you like $12 plan with unlimited messages. In n8n, Green API don't have built-in node, but you can find this node in community version, or you can also do direct API calls. Within a minute I got the notification in WhatsApp channel, in WhatsApp dedicated group. So we get instant notification on WhatsApp, and at the same time we get instant notification on Slack. For Slack I have used built-in Slack nodes that to send the message and to send the reply. To send the reply, what you have to do is just go here and enable this option, reply to a message. Then you have to give the timestamp of the previous message, and then you can send the message. The previous one is simpler one. The third thing that is happening here is it's creating a channel. After creating a channel, it is adding default users or a particular user as well based on the lead type and the lead source. After that, it sent all the details that were there in the email in the Slack channel so that we have the context, and then it marked the lead as read. All of this happened within like a minute, within few seconds, so that you can reply to your leads within 60 seconds. Let me show you the executions and the time, how much time it takes. It take like 300 millisecond, a part 1/3 of a second to process all of this information. If you want to give fast reply to your clients, you can use this workflow. Any lead platform, most of the lead platforms provide the email support where they give you instant email alerts on your email. From there you can redirect to Slack, Notion, ClickUp, or any other tool your team is comfortable with. You can download a copy of this workflow from the description, and if you need any any custom workflow or consultation regarding automation of your lead generation funnel or overall business automation, feel free to contact me in the given Google form. Thank you. See you in the next video.